Hello everyone, I trust all are doing wonderfully well. Today we will continue with discussions of various chemicals used in cleaning a swimming pool. In this session we will cover alum. Alum is only a flocculating agent to bring together all the dispersed dust particles in the water. This makes the dust particles settle down for easy vacuuming. Only non-ferric alum is to be used in the pool. About 1 kilogram of alum for 2 lakh liters of water is generally recommended. The alum has to be dissolved completely in water before being poured into the pool and then stirred to spread it evenly. Hey, please like and subscribe to get all the remaining parts on time. The water should not be disturbed thereafter for at least 12 hours. The settled dust, which accumulates on the bottom of the pool, should be very slowly and carefully vacuumed, so as not to disturb the rest of it. It should be done very easily and flawlessly. The periodicity of alum dosing has to be figured out depending on the dust loading of your pool. We would say that you would probably require to alum dose your pool once in 15 days. This should be done on an evening the day after, which is a holiday for the pool. Such alum dosing is recommended for a dust cloudy area or where the water is exposed to external dust. Approximate monthly requirement is around 2 kg. In the next session we will discuss about pH and ways to manage pH in your swimming pool.